Hey there, I'm Cowboy Cattleman Cowboy Caleb from Sandbaggy. Woo! These bike racks are great for parks, apartment complexes, shopping centers, and more. Made with heavy-duty, tough, 13-gauge galvanized steel, these bike racks are tough and extra sturdy. Yeah, that ain't going anywhere. Made with 3.8 millimeter thick square bottoms and 4 pre-drilled holes each, there's no need wasting money on a contractor to install these. You can easily do it using 4 concrete anchor bolts. It's so easy, you could practically do it blindfolded. Okay, where's the bike rack? Oh! Can we cut? Can someone please cut? Cut the camera, cut the camera. This bike rack is made with double protection to last extra long. First, we make this rack from galvanized pipe steel, which is already rust resistant. Then we powder coat the galvanized pipe steel on top for double rust protection. Much more durable than regular steel, these bike racks can last many years to come. Each bike stand holds 2 to 3 bikes, and they're perfect for any style bike. Oh yeah, it's a good bike. Good bike. Don't buy Sandbaggy's competitor bike racks where they're separated at the bottom and increase the chance of theft. Buy Sandbaggy's one-piece bike racks. These highly decrease the chance of theft. Sandbaggy is an American Christian-run company trusted by landscapers, homeowners, government agencies, and farmers across this great country. And I'm proud to be an American. God bless the USA.